Hi my socialite, this is Kiki and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited for today's video because if you want to change your complete look from this to this crazy blondie hair, I know this is kind of dramatic, but I just gonna do it for my photo shoot because you know I like to try kind of different looks for my Instagram feed and everything. So yeah, you wanna have fun with me, stay watching this video. Okay, my socialite, oh my god, I'm so excited because for today's video is something that I love it. And today's photo shoot day, obviously, as you know, I love to do, drastic change in outfit and hairstyle for my Instagram pictures because I love it. I love to see like variety of photos in my feed and everything. So I'm so excited because for today's video I have something super different that I have never tried. And this is gonna be a full change of my hair, and this is gonna be a blondie hair. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, also share, comment, and also you want to join my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So what I wanna do right now is I will try to don't talk a lot. What I wanna tell you is every step that I wanna do, and then I wanna show you how I do it step by step. Yeah, progressively we're gonna get to the final look, so don't move and stay watching this video. Okay, my socialite, here we are closer. So the first thing that I have to do is apply this wig cap. For that I need to do something, I don't know what it's gonna be, but something to make my hair like really flat. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's figure it out. Okay, my socialites, while I have my wig cap just on, I wanna use this Got2b glue and I wanna put it all around my hairline, just right here in front, to try to, this is gonna help to kind of glue the wig cap on my head, so that way it doesn't move around. So let's do that. Oh my god, this is kind of hard. I don't know how it works. But now I'm gonna use one of these headbands to try to the glue get really tight. Okay, my socialites, after you apply your wig cap, when you have your head looking as an egg, then as you can see, the glue is already, I think it's gonna dry already. I put the headband here. Yeah, it looks like dry. So what I'm gonna do right now is with a little scissor, I'm gonna try to go and cut all the rest of this cap and go along with my hairline. So let's do that. Okay, my socialites, you can see it doesn't look so good. But anyway, now with your foundation shade, you're gonna try to paint a little bit of your forehead and also this band, so you're gonna start getting your natural color. Yeah, so let's do that. I forgot. And also you're gonna apply that color of foundation in the front lace of your wig using this thing, so that way it's gonna match better, gonna camouflage better. So let's do that. So this is how it's looking, guys. It's not looking good, but I think I gonna make it work for this photo shoot. As you can see, I already changed my shirt for my photo shoot today because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, after I put that wig, like putting another shirt on and you know, all that thing. So now it's time to put the wig and try to cover the lace with my foundation. I don't think that looks good, guys, honestly. But as you can see this part here. But what I wanna do right now is, I don't know, apply the foundation in the lace to see how it looks. It's not perfect, but so the next thing is not that much that I can do because I just don't like it. But what I want to do right now is just cut the lace. I should apply like glue here, but because this is just for photo shoot, I won't apply glue here. Probably just right here a little bit, so it get tight. So I have a glue here, so I just want to apply just right here, and I will cover this with hair. I don't think I'm gonna apply glue all the line here because this is gonna be just for a photo shoot really quickly. Yeah, I think I can go just with that. Okay, my socialites, so the last thing that I wanted to just glue this part here. With the glue is kind of drying it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna try to apply foundation on my face. To see if this lace match better, and then yeah, try to style a little bit to see the final result. Okay, my socialite, as you can see, this is the final result. Do I like it? Obviously, I have to tell you the truth. No, I don't like it. Again, this was my first time. It was so much fun doing it. But no, honestly, this is not something that I like. However, for Instagram picture, I'll try to do my photo shoot with this look and try to find an angle and everything, because as you can see, I feel like the hair start to, to here, like my forehead. I look kind of fakey, I don't know. And also try to Photoshop my pictures to see the final result, to see how it come out. But yeah, you definitely can go to check it out my Instagram, Kike Society, to see if I posted or no, and also the final result. Maybe I do magic, I don't know. But yeah, definitely it's not something that I like it. Probably also could be the wig, because it's, as I told you at the beginning, it has kind of a straight line here, which I don't like it. But I know out there are many great natural wigs. I don't know if I'm gonna give it a try in the future, but for now I have to tell you, no, that's not something that I like it. But anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share, comment. Also, if you want to join my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And creating different content my different platforms, Kike Society, Instagram, Facebook page, and also TikTok. However, I feel like I have my blondie hair finally without dyeing my natural hair. But anyway, see you in my next video, guys.